Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy or subscribe to Midjourney to create awesome digital art like this. So it's very simple, guys. First thing you need to do is go over to midjourney.com and then you have to sign in using the sign in button in the bottom right corner. And when you are signed in, it will open up your home page and there will be displayed your art. But you don't have any if you are not subscribed, so click on Manage Sub. And right here you will have this, which says Basic Plan, Standard Plan or Pro Plan. When you have it set to monthly billing, it is 10, 30 and 60, or yearly billing it's 8, 24 or 48. So if you want to pay monthly, so then click on to subscribe here and you can subscribe to your plan. Just fill out the billing information and then click on subscribe. Or if you are subscribed already, you can go over to yearly and change your commitment or upgrade to different plan as well. In order to buy it, you will do it in Manage Sub. So everything you can manage here, as you can see, Manage Subscription. So thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.